Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Today I wanted to do another first impressions and a Valentine's Day look. I know it's going to be really late by the time I upload this, but just enjoy it otherwise. Since it's Valentine's Day, I said treat myself, and so I did. I went to both Sephora and Ulta. I just got a few things I wanted to try out and you can see how they work. So clearly I am barefaced and I'm a little late, but I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer. You know, everyone raves about it, so I figured I'd just try it out. You know, if I don't like it, return it, but I'm praying that it works nice. So here it is in the bottle. Wow, this is really nice. So I'm already moisturized and we're just gonna jump right into it. Alright, so then I'm gonna go in and conceal with my LA Girl Pro Conceal again. I only have an hour to do this before work, so you're kind of getting ready with me before work. I know, sad that I work on Valentine's Day, but it's not too late, so I'll get to come home to my boyfriend, which has some kind of surprise for me. I went to get match tested at Sephora for the Fenty Beauty foundation, and they didn't have my color in stock, so she gave me like the tester samples and she gave me 2 of them so I could try it out. I did order it, but it's coming in the mail, so that's like not till next week. You know, I really just wanted to try it, so just bear with me here. This is number 290. Looks like this, and we're just gonna kind of, ooh, it is very liquidy. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and then I also got the Max Fix Plus, but in the mini size because I wanted to try it. So I'm gonna spray that. Okay. And just go in. Well, I did read it was buildable, so it's got like, it's not full coverage, but you can definitely build on it. And so we will. Blends out nice, yeah. It's like sheer. It's good for what it is. So next I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Nothing new. I have a lot of concealers, so I just switch off back and forth just to see how they all work. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and Max Fix Plus and blend that out. Alright, well I'm kind of mad because my camera shut off and I lost part of what I was doing, so it stopped off as where I was blending my concealer and it was starting to get patchy, but it ended up fixing itself. And then I went in with my Mercier powder, translucent powder, that's new, and I got Sephora. And yeah, I just put that all over where I concealed and let that sit. So then I moved on to my eyes, which I'm using the Athena palette for right now. And let's continue, shall we? So I'm using Velour, just like a pink, in my crease. So then next I'm going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette, tried and true, and we're gonna go in with another kind of crease brush and go in with Love Letter, just like a purple, And put that back in the crease. So now I'm gonna go in with a even smaller crease brush and go back in the Athena palette and go with Power, which is like a red. And we're gonna kind of put that all over the lid. This is what we have so far. Next I'm gonna go in with two glitters. Where's that? This red glitter in here, Daring, and I've got this pink glitter in here, which is by MBA Cosmetics. I got this whole pan. Technically I should be using a glitter glue, but I just threw mine out, so... Okay, clearly there's a lot of fallout. That's when that comes in handy. Yeah, that's pretty. Alright, so kind of just rubbing this excess off of that powder. Also the glitter. Alright, so I got this one from NYX. I don't really like it. It's gonna have to do today. So let's quickly throw on some winged eyeliner. Now, this is one of my like new ones, supposed to be like first impression, and right now I don't like it. It's supposed to like be white and it's turning the color of my eyeshadow. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest off camera, but right now it's not really working for me. It's turning pink and sparkly, so I'm just gonna have to make do with it. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, y'all, and this is what I came up with. Literally, it was the hardest thing ever. This thing is a piece of shit, and it does not work because, honestly, it's a felt tip liner, and I should have known that these kind of liners do not last. Like, it's like just kept drying, and I had to like keep drawing it on my hand to get the ink out and pressing, and then I like pressed it onto my eye. And this is what I could really get out of it. So yeah, not too much pigment. I went to Ulta today and I got this pen like the other time I went to Ulta. And I did not know that like Too Faced made colored pens and stuff. I hate it. So, don't judge me. It's a flop. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Eyelure Luxe instead of this definition one, but I got these two, and we're just gonna pop these suckers on. Oh yeah, this is my right eye. Oh, you know what I forgot? Mascara. Oh my god, who am I? Okay. So I did get a new mascara, and if you don't know already, it's the Bad Gal Bang. Nothing works for my lashes, so I'll be shocked and whatever. I also was kind of mad that they had a whole trip just for one mascara. Like they had a whole show off to introduce a new product, and it was just a mascara. Like really? Really benefit? I thought it was gonna be like a whole like collection, but nope. I'm not mad at it. I do like it. It was really light and easy to apply, and it really just separates the lashes really well. So yeah, I think it's worth it. I haven't tried any of their other mascaras, but I figured I'd just go with this one, and I like it. So if you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. So I'm gonna go back in with my lashes. Alright, what felt like forever because my eyelash would not stay on because of like my eyes were watering. I managed to get it on and this is what we came up. I did my brows, I did the under eye, I did the mascara under eye. Yeah, I really like this look. So now I'm gonna quickly finish my face because I'm running out of time. And so I got this new palette by Essence. It's called Shape Your Face. I was really looking for like a palette with the contour and blush because I don't know, everything I've had is just a flop, so I'm hoping this works and I just wanted something new. And let's go ahead and contour my face. Alright, so the color payoff is really nice of the contour. Yeah, I like that. So I'm going to leave that there. And I'm going to go in with this pink part for the blush. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I do like this palette. It's really nice. Payoff color is good. Last but not least, I'm going to spray a fan brush with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to go in with my Moonchild palette by Anastasia. And go in with Pink Heart. Just to get that Valentine's Day glow. Some Mario BADESCU. And dab all that wetness. And I'm gonna go in with the Take 5. And voila, we have a Valentine's Day look. Wow, look at this. I love this look. Oh my god. I never really go out of my comfort zone like this, but I dig it. I love it. So I hope you guys liked my video and I hoped you kind of got a feel what the products were. I pretty much liked everything except for the white eyeliner. Ugh, that was such a flop. That thing was just like a one-time use. Now it's all pink and whatever. The lashes are nice. I just have watery eyes. These are really super and simple. The glitter palette, if you want to check it out, is from MBA Cosmetics. They're on Instagram. The primer is nice. Foundation is nice. I don't know about the concealer, that my Tarte just didn't go with the foundation, but I might have to try it again. And what else do we have? MAC Fix Plus is nice. I love the Mercier powder. That was really nice, actually. I'm so glad I got that. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Happy Valentine's Day.